managing enterprise backups, and need to access a TVO file from IBM Spectrum Protect. These are part of mission-critical backup systems used by major corporations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these IBM Spectrum Protect data object files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful TVO file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. A TVO file is a data object created by IBM Spectrum Protect, formerly Tivoli Storage Manager, an enterprise-level data backup and recovery solution. System administrators encounter these files during data restoration processes, as they represent a specific piece of backed-up information stored within the IBM system's storage pool. The TVO format is a proprietary binary container designed for robust and secure data storage. It encapsulates user data along with metadata critical for recovery, such as versioning, permissions, and timestamps. The structure is optimized for efficient retrieval and integrity checking within the Spectrum Protect ecosystem. Essential file access for TVO relies upon the utility IBM Spectrum Protect from IBM. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows doesn't display backup contents, so you must use a tool capable of restoring that format. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the TVO file and choose Open With. If you have IBM Spectrum Protect available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. If you still can't open the TVO file, it's okay. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, restoring with Spectrum Protect. Use the IBM Spectrum Protect Backup Archive client to restore TVO file contents to original systems. Launch the client, connect to the Spectrum Protect server, and authenticate with appropriate credentials. Browse backed up data through the client interface and select objects for restoration to original or alternate file system locations on protected client machines. Next, administering with Operations Center. Access TVO files through IBM Spectrum, Protect Operations Center, the web-based administration interface. Navigate to the client backup nodes and view associated data objects. The Operations Center provides tools for monitoring backup status, reviewing object metadata, and managing retention policies affecting how long TVO files remain in the storage hierarchy. Finally, command line recovery. Use the DSMC command line client to interact with TVO files and Spectrum Protect data. Run commands like DSMC query backup or DSMC restore to list and recover data objects. The command line interface supports scripting for automated recovery operations, valuable for disaster recovery scenarios requiring batch restoration of multiple files or systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.